We that star you see shining in the sky, man. Polaris.
What's good, YouTube? It's Polaris, man. First video back on the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to recreate this brutalism threshold effect we see here. So if you want to learn how to recreate this, man, keep watching. What we're using today is Photoshop, but you can't use any other type of app. You feel me? All these pretty much do the same shit. It's all the same shit, but you know what I'm saying? I'm in Photoshop. I always been using Photoshop. That's what we gonna use. We just created a new project. I did 1,000 by 1,000. That's for Instagram purposes. You know what I'm saying? First thing we gonna do is get our images. Alright, we got hella cigarettes. You know what I'm saying? You smoke cigarettes, man, put the shit down, man. Hey, I can't say too much though, cause anyways, man, after you get your photo imported, you just want to go to this little circle and hit threshold. So you want to add a threshold. First you're gonna see it's looking like this. You like, what the fuck is this? You know what I'm saying? Next you want to clip it to your image. So create you a clipping mask, right click threshold, get you a clipping mask. Now what I like to do to really adjust my threshold, I like to bring it down to the higher side, like that, darker side, and actually grab a burn tool. So you want to look for the burn tool if you don't have it already up there. You want to make sure you on the image layer as well, and you want to just start burning this shit away, bro. So once you got it on the higher side, you could kind of do this like burn effect. You could start messing with the threshold a bit, add darker spots. I think this looks nice right here. We don't got to do too much. Let me see. Play with the threshold a little bit more. Like this. Yeah, play with it just like that. You know what I'm saying? Get this shit right. So after you finish playing with the burn tool, you take the threshold effect, you take your image, and you just convert them both into a smart object. Then you want to go into color range. So yeah, you just want to select the black area after that. Then you just press OK. Then you want to go ahead down here, go to solid color. This is about coloring your threshold here, if you haven't noticed. And from here you could like play with this shit. You feel me? You could play with this shit. You could change the color of your threshold to anything you want. You know what I'm saying? So now you got your orange cigarette graphic. You know what I'm saying? Like, and just like that, ladies and gentlemen, you have yourself a brutalism threshold effect. I taught you how to place the threshold effect, how to adjust your threshold effect, as well as how to color it. So we're gonna actually just try this one more time with one more image, just so we could make sure we got this down packed. So we just got our second image. I like this right here. This shit fire. I don't know what type of money that is. What money this is? This even real? I don't think it's real, but fuck it. Either way, you know what I'm saying? We gonna go ahead and turn off our last threshold. So with the shit we knowing, you know what I'm saying? We get our image, go to this circle, go to threshold, play with the threshold a little bit more on the lighter side. Bam. Then we go back to the image. We grab our burn tool, rasterize it or whatever it asks. And we just come in and darken the areas where we want more detail. Actually, another trick is what you could do is add a halftone effect. That's just like me, you know what I'm saying? That's some shit I do. But add noise, and when you add noise, it's just gonna basically give you a lot more detail. You don't want to have it too hot though. Just add a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Add a little bit more texture, and then we can go back in with that burn tool, burn up what we need to burn up. You know what I'm saying? This shit fire. See, like, so I love this effect, bro. You know what I'm saying? You might just want to go over some spots a little bit more than others and shit. It's best if you like kind of like tap and release, then you get more like you feel me. And me, I don't like the rough edges, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come in and erase that shit. I ain't fucking with the hard lines. Yeah, now it's a little darker and shit, then you could just play with it like that, you know. I'm gonna keep it like right here. So now once you're done messing with the threshold, once we're done with messing with the threshold, this is how I like it. I'll go ahead and group them together and create it, convert it into one smart object. That is terrible. What is that? Let's just erase that. Let's just get that out of there. I don't like that. No doubt. Nobody asked for that shit, man. So now we got it as a smart object. Now what we do, we want to add some color to this. Let's say we want some color in it, but we go here. We can either keep it like this and change the color of the white. But what I like to do, we take the black, press OK. We go here to solid color, and now we can fuck with it. You know what I'm saying? Make it any color we want. That's how we do it, man. That's simple as that, man. You get your threshold effect, the effect everybody love right here. You know what I'm saying? Swag. You know what I'm saying? I just put you on. Now let's see if we actually just made us a graphic here, because that might be fat. Hold on. Hey, it's like a flag, bro. Let me see what I could add to it. I don't know, man. I just made a little shitty graphic for y'all and shit, but you know what I'm saying? It's just to show y'all what y'all could do with this, and y'all could really make some shit.